All right, guys, these are my bubble mailers. I use these to send out my items I sell online or anything fragile I want to send to family and friends. These particular ones are 6 inches by 10 inches. They came 25 in a pack. The great thing about these, you don't need any extra tape because they're self-sealable. All you need to do is remove this white piece and close, and it is secure. If you notice on the inside, there are actually bubbles here to help protect your product or your item. Okay. The outside paper is very strong. I have not had one to tear on me yet, but perhaps I was being careful, but it's very durable, very smooth, easy to write on, and easy to place your label that you need to put on here. This color is the only color I have seen, so no variety of color for mailing.